This video will show you how to add and edit timeline tasks. Under Administration, you'll click on Timeline Tasks. You can set them up by each product, or you can do multiple products at a time. Today I'm going to work on my Universal tasks. So I'm going to hit the filter here for Universal, refresh to get the results, and these are the 5 ones I have set up right now. I'm going to add a new one for final payment. Hit New Timeline Task. I'm going to set it up for Universal only, and only for Universal Orlando. I'm going to call this task the final payment, and I have a choice of the priority, either high, medium, or low. This is high priority since obviously it's a final payment. I want this to remind the agent 45 days before that check-in date. So you have options here to choose from. I'm going to hit save, and now when I go back, this will be in my list of all my Universal tasks. Now what if I want to edit a task? I have 2 thank yous here. This thank you I see is 2 days after it's been created in the system, and this thank you is 2 days after the client has checked out. So I feel like I need to edit this to make sure that I know what this task is for. So the one that goes out 2 days after the create date probably should be to remind the agent to thank the client for booking. So thank you, or thank the client for booking. So I'm going to edit that, and as you can see here, this actually is across all of the products and destinations that I have in the system. Hit save. Now what if I want to make a task that's going to go out for all of the products and destinations I have? Again, I hit New Timeline Task, Product. I can choose either all the products here, or I can choose just certain ones. Maybe I just want to hit theme parks. Maybe it's a task that only has to do with theme parks. So you can scroll through all of your products here and choose. You can also come over here to Destination and choose what you want it to go as a reminder for. I'm going to hit Universal Orlando and Disney World and Disneyland. So now I'm going to name this task to check on celebrations, and really in my head that's a low priority, but I do want the agents checking on those celebrations to see if any needed to be noted. When do I want that to happen? I think maybe 15 days after they've created that in the system. Now hit save, and that task will now show up under Disney, Universal Products, and these destinations. So again, as a reminder, when you're setting up timeline tasks, you can set them up individually per product. You can set it up with just one, multiple, or all products and all destinations at once.